my newest acquisition, the Guardians of the Galaxy.
This is all your fault.
Oh, at least you get a really cool slide.
Just one.
Once in the system, your hand scan will give you clearance and the doors will open towards you. Please stand by.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy that let's mute this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! What was... That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Huh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
That does that mean?
Been waiting for.
The rocket unplugs you. Start things around. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's roll.
Thank you all for watching! If you liked this video, would you mind doing me a couple of favors? Click the like button, leave a comment below the video, click that subscribe button, and click the bell icon. You are all so wonderful and have a magical rest of your day. Bye.